I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you.
So today is Sunday. I typically don't like to do any housework on Sundays, but today was my chill day. All I did was watch The Ultimatum South Africa, which was really good. And then I did like some super light groceries because Friday I am leaving for Boston. I'm excited. I haven't seen my cousins in like a year. The last time I saw them was during one of their weddings last March. And yeah, I did record like some clips from that day and that, but last year, I think from like January to June, I didn't really post it on social media. So yeah, but yeah, so that's gonna be fun. I'm excited about that. So of course you'll be coming along. So today I'm just going to be cleaning my bathroom, vacuum, and ready to like so close to just throwing away a lot of things if I don't need it. I haven't used it in a year plus. Why do I have it? Wasn't too bad.
But sometimes it's just easier to fill the day with doing things so that you don't have to think about it.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Woo! We just got out of brunch. Kotolin. My little vlog. My boos. My cousins. Got it. What?
Hello, hello. It's Saturday. We outside. It's Memorial Weekend.
Yes.
And y'all know the vibes.
That's right. We look good. Just had some good brunch.
Yes. Feeling full. Feeling good.
Oh, you can take pictures on these too. That's a quick little topic. We just saw a little cutie. We get the eye contact, said hello, smile.
Yeah.
And then that's it.
Y'all have to know how to close, you
please
know?
close it. I'm letting you know.
Can't do all the work for you, you know?
Seriously.
Like,
but
I want your moment to show up.
Exactly. Say something.
It's 100% of the stuff
you don't take.
Yeah. I said that's this, that
A little Boston. Let me stop.
That made you look like a.
Mm.
It's giving sex in the city.
Yes. The snowfall. This is where the bougie.
You know, when they're not on Beacon Street, they're definitely on Beacon.
Okay. We're here getting a little rest. Sitting down on these steps because they're in Zara. I don't know, I'm not a big Zara fan. Like,
I am, but I just have enough. Of like that look pretty much. I have
everything, a lot of stuff.
You know, like the
Enough to last you.
professional look,
Yeah.
The Zara look. I haven't my closet before.
Yeah.
Enough of that.
For me, it's just, yeah, I don't know. I don't care for clothes.
Professional clothes.
I mean, I don't need it, so not now, at least. We're gonna go to New Balance after, so hopefully I can find a cute little sneak. I'm in my little sneaker era right now. So that'd be nice if I can find something. But, and even this, like, I'm trying to also get into accessories. Usually I'll get like, I'll have a necklace and my watch, but bracelet I barely wear, so I'm getting into that and actually wearing earrings like this, you know? You don't understand. I'm always like in a little stud or a hoop that's silver or gold, so I'm like, okay, let's wear some color. Yeah, so. Oh, this one's from Tanzania. Yeah, what is it? We're in Newberry. There's other stores. I don't know. I don't need anything. And no, I don't know. Maybe I'm not in the mood to shop. But I'm gonna try to see if I can find a coffee shop nearby though. One of my coworkers gave me some recommendations, and I'm gonna see if I find anything nearby to what she recommended. But yeah, so that's it. We're just chilling, walking around, sightseeing, a little shopping, and they've been great hosts for me so far. Yeah. They're looking over here, these people that's about to pass. Nosy. Look for the girl with the broken smile, asking if she wants to stay a while, and she will be loved. You've seen let it out. My first espresso martini. This reminds me, every time I see one now, I think of DeAndre Brown from TikTok, his little saying. Alright guys. Yo, it was a close call. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, yeah. I like that face, like, girl. Look at this mess. I'm always dumping stuff on me.
I'm sorry. Is everybody okay with this timeline?
With which
You asking me like I don't know.
Bear Hill, huh?
What's it? I don't know.
Skyline is up, Bear Hill is more like a little bit lower.
Bear
So-
Hill, I feel like, is like where that thing is at. The reservoir.
Skyline is where you're on top of the mountain.
I kind of want to do the, what do you want to do, the reservoir? Yeah, let's do the reservoir. Carefully.
We're out here.
You can twist your ankles, so do be careful.
Okay,
with
thanks.
The rocks.
Getting off. Yeah, this is the most intense hike I've had because I've never been through all this to get across. Ooh! Her foot went in the water. Please, Lord. Yes!
This is insane. Oh, hey, hey, hey.
So hi. Okay, that's my cousin back there. So we came from a little cute coffee shop, which I don't think I'm sure they don't have it down in Florida.
It's called Cafe Nero.
Cafe Nero. Have some pics from there that came out super nice. And now we're gonna go see Harvard and Cambridge, and then do a little. I was gonna say of course, but yeah, do a little shopping, a little TJ Maxx. And then buy me a little, if I can find something like that says Boston on it.
Yes.
Yeah, I like to get like shirts or shot glasses.
In half a mile, keep left to merge onto Route 2 East towards Boston.
I had a lot of shot glasses from like pretty much all the states that I've been to.
Oh, is it like a collection?
Yes, that's what I was having. But then when I moved to Orlando, I think that I left them, and yeah, I don't know what happened to them now.
I cried.
Yeah, so. We're in Harvard area. Unimpressed. I'm sorry. Just like with the White House when I went to DC, I was like, this is the White House? What's going on?
You know what the pictures of this?
What is it?
I don't know.
Oh,
I think it's
a sword or something.
Harvard Square. So all of this. Yeah. Oh, I didn't get to show you.
What?
Chinatown.
Oh.
We didn't get that. I didn't realize that I never took you to Harvard Square. Yeah.
So cute. Yes. Yes. If I can find like a cute. This is more of what I was looking for. Something that's a little bit longer to layer because a lot of my necklaces are pretty short.
I've
tried it. Yeah. It looks good. Way overhyped. Cute.
All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah.